Hello guys, good to have you back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the wipers on an Audi A4. It's a 2016 model. There is a function on it, there is an option on it. The wiper change position option on the menu, and I'm going to show you how you can use this to change the wipers on your Audi A4. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us more support by liking our videos. Any comments, any questions, use the comment area and I get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's say I have bad wipers and I want to change them, and we have to get them in the right position to be able to change them. We're going to use this area over here. Go to the menu. Once you are here, go to car, press on it. Once you are here, we have to go to this area by hitting this or pressing this to the left like this. Once you are there, go to servicing and checks. Once you are here, scroll down to wiper change position, and if I press this, look what's happening. Yes, the wipers are in the position to be changed, and it's easy for you to replace them with new wipers. Once I press this, once I change them, press it back, and the wipers go back to the starting position to wipe the front shield. This is a nice option to have and good to know for changing the wipers. That was it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye.